that you can like make your trees more, make your arts and craft more better and more colorful. So I've been in these summer vacations, I've been trying many techniques and tips. So I wanted to share them with you because they are very pretty and amazing. So last week I just got these acrylic colors which are so pretty, and there are 24 colors in them. I've also tried gouache and they're really good too. So today we're gonna be trying acrylic. So do subscribe to my channel and share to your friends, family and cousins so that they subscribe too. Give a thumbs up to this video and comment down below if how was your experience doing these arts and crafts. So I have a blank tree over here which I drew before, and I painted it with brown paint. So you can make it like any color you want, but you can use my techniques and watch the video till the end so that you can get the hold of my ideas and you can use them. So I have 3 techniques. This is technique number 1. It's very nice and the colors are really pretty. And this is technique number 2. I used in this one I used red, orange and yellow, but I could be using different ones and you can use different one as well. So this is technique number 2, and the last one is technique number 3. I really love this one because the blue, purple and the yellow colors really stand out and make the tree more colorful and amazing. So let's start. I'm going to be using the pink color and the purple color for this tree. So I already put it down on the paper plate. So we're going to be using the thumb method. So like the video and give a thumbs up. So let's start. Use the thumb and put it on the purple color all over our thumb. So that's how it is. Then you put it on the place you want it. Just keep putting it. Then it'll keep coming. So when the paint gets finished, just keep putting more and making. I left some empty spaces, as you can see here, for the pink color. So when we will add the pink color, it will look much better. So let's do the pink color. I'm going to do the same method, just with my thumb. I'm going to put the pink color. So we're done with our method 1, and this is how it turns out. It looks really pretty. So this is the one I just made right now in front of you, and this is the one I made earlier. So let's start our trick number 2. I have some leftover paint here. I think I'll use them. So I need another color. So let's choose aqua turquoise color, purple. I think it's enough, yeah. So we're gonna be doing the earbud method 3, and I'm going to be starting. So you take, color should come on the earbuds. So let's put this way. Oh, this is the way, this is the color that came on the earbuds. So let's put it on this. Oh wow, this looks really pretty. Let's keep moving on. I think I'm done, and this tree looks so pretty. Write in the comment box which one looks much better, which one has more prettier colors. Let's move on to our technique 3. Then we're gonna be loading this tree with full of more vibrant and colorful paints. We're using orange. It will really look so pretty. Technique, we're gonna be using a bubble wrap paper. Without wasting any time, let's start. Are you guys ready? I'm super ready. So I'm gonna take my bubble paper and make this shape. Nice like that. So that's how it is. So let's start. Just gonna squash it into that thing for some time, and the colors come. Just gonna put it and put. Wow, this looks really pretty. Just keep doing until your thing is almost finished. I think I'm done with some, so I'll show you how it turned out. This is how it turned out. It looks really pretty. I think I have to add a little bit more orange on it because the orange doesn't even show. So let's continue. I'm gonna keep doing. Yeah, I think I'm done. The whole bubble wrap mixed with colors. Just gonna put the bubble wrap here, and this is how this turned out. It looks really pretty. I think after it gets dried up, it'll look much better. So after it gets dried up, it'll look better. So this is the one I made earlier, and this is the one I made now. They both really look so pretty. So comment down below which one do you think, which color do you think looks much better. These are all the paintings we did, and they look so pretty. These are like the most beautifulest trees I've ever done or painted. These look so good. You can try these tricks and tips which I told you, and write in the comment box which one do you like and how was your experience doing them. I really love doing them. That was my experience, and hope you like my super duper easy peasy lemon squeezy tips. They're like so easy using the earbuds and the bubble wrapping and the finger thumb thing. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos, and share with the friends, families and cousins so that they subscribe too. Bye bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.